Video 664 of the Atomic Ivy MMO. We're on Bombs for Josh 14. We're gonna review all the 664 deltas. So let's get going here. So in the ARTGIRL shader strings within shader source 8, which is going to be the Bombs for Josh shader, we're going to inject all of our common macros. So all of these macro files are kind of different things that we need for any shader that we write to work. It's just kind of common functionality for all of the different systems. You want to know more about it, grab onto these, and there's a little About Me sections for each one of these files. These are our designs for geometry, bomb, and fata, and their lookup tables. So we're going to take a v16 tile value and get out a bitpacked u81 value that represents geometry, bombs, or fata. And then down here, we're going to inject our color key here, right? The color key for the bombs and the flames. We're going to do more stuff later, and right now there's really not much code in here. We're just painting cyan. Then down here in the A-bomb section, I just want to say where, stuff is coming from, right? So the designs are coming from here. This is the source code that's getting injected into our shader. And then in the hexabaf section right here, this source code, this lookup table, is getting injected into the shader, right? So we have a preprocessor that's responsible for that. So the ARTGIRL shader source raw to ARTGIRL shader source preprocessed takes a shader string and injects the GPU side equivalents of the lookup tables that we're trying to inject in the shader. So here's our lookup table of arrays, and we've added the four new lookup tables here to that. This is the raw source code of those lookup tables. Then we need a lookup table of names. This is a triply paired array, right? Because we have 3 arrays. We got lookup table arrays, and then we got lookup tables names, and then we have one more lookup table after this, and they're all paired. So it all has to be in the exact same position. So here is the names that we're going to use to refer to those lookup tables on the GPU. And then we have lookup tables of tokens, and these are our injection site tokens. And so these are the new injection site tokens for those new lookup tables. And we got to increment the max index right here, because this is the max index of all 3 of those lookup tables we just looked at. Here's what we did previously. We have a whole bunch of footnotes and stuff, but we got to get the fuck out of here. If you want a longer explanation, go here to this channel, Ninja Coder. Right now you're here on Kanji Coder. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail.